Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then in here, actually before I continue, make sure you do it from the right side, as left side gives you notifications, the right side gives you toggles. So you want to do it from the right side. Now in here you will find a bunch of toggles. We can swipe down on this area to extend the list of visible toggles, and let's find our power saving mode. Hopefully it is added by default. If it's not, we're gonna need to do it ourselves, and it does look like that is what we all need to do. So let's click on add and swipe down. We have ultra power saving mode right here, which I will add just so I can showcase how that works. And looks like that's the only toggle that we have access to in the in this panel right here. So let's start off with the ultra power saving mode. I'm gonna select enable, and this mode is strictly designed for preserving battery life. As you can see, it will give you about 34 hours of remaining battery life with this being enabled right now. And there it is, that's our home screen. It removes a bunch of applications, gives us access to things like the Wi-Fi, data, and localization, and that's about it. Anyway, I'm gonna click on exit right here and confirm that. And to enable the normal power saving mode, you will need to open up your settings, and let's navigate to battery and power saving, and then battery saving settings, battery optimization, I presume. No, never mind. Oh, there we go. Battery saver, it's right here, and you can just toggle it on. Now, like I mentioned before, you will need to navigate to the settings to turn it on, and also you will need to come back here if you want to turn it off, unfortunately. So that is a downside. There is no toggle that you can add to have a quick access to it, so just be mindful of that. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.